Hello everyone, so today is 16th of October and in the last video we discussed that look for sell on rise opportunity. The final verdict was sell on rise, and we also discussed the levels, that is the put buying was done by the big guys and also call writing, and yes, so these levels, like as I have already told you, it got resistance the last day as well, today as well. So this range, that is 19,762 to 19,775, a very narrow range. So that is acting as the line of controls are there, and they're very well working. Okay, so and they're for now giving resistance. And talking about Bank Nifty was in a very narrow range. So probably HDFC results, like it was waiting for it. But after the market hours it came out, and the result is not, I mean, something you can say which is very good, but yeah, fine. The result is even, I mean, it's good but not very good. Okay, so fine. So then you would say that yes, markets can rally up. So there might be some gap up tomorrow, okay, even which Gift Nifty is suggesting, but ultimately things are again going to come down. And so why, I'm going to discuss very briefly. So let's see if there is a gap up, so I'll try to use that as sell on rise opportunity. And talking about our indicators, indicator here today, that is again score was going up, and then after this, Nifty also went up, but since the big guys were took put buying position, so if you would have noticed that the put buying or the put premiums, they did not, though market went up, they did not decrease. Okay, I mean, decrease means like they decrease but not in like a very heavy percentage. Okay, so the decrease was very minimal. And yes, now here from this point onwards, again, like as you can see, from 12 onwards, the score started coming down, and then Nifty also finally came down. Similarly, if you look at Bank Nifty as well, so Bank Nifty was here showing very narrow, like even if you see the score, it was in a very it did not fluctuate very much, it was in a narrow range, and finally like Bank Nifty did not show much move. So we should be very concerned, like 44,400. Let's see if Bank Nifty can cross that, and if crossing that, like 44,520 would be the ultimate level, and this price band above. And yeah, so talking about our put buying positions that was taken by the big guys on Friday. So as I clearly mentioned that they were not in the current expiry, they have been taken in the monthly expiry. Okay, so this week there can be too much uncertainty and too much movement on both the sides, but ultimately for my analysis is saying that ultimately things are going to come down. Okay, so it's just throwing out the beers, and then finally, like when everyone will think that chalo war hua, sab hua, matlab so many bad news came, but still market is like very strong. Okay, so when this feeling comes I mean, when everyone feels, most of the traders feels this, finally the I mean, it doesn't take I mean, you know that even if you would have seen, it just took for 20,200, market came down to 19,300. Okay, so in just 4 days. Okay, 4 sessions, so it won't take much time to come down. It's already at 19,800, so it won't take much time to go to 19,300. Okay, so just it's like playing both the sides and keeping the uncertainty. And even if you see, VIX rose almost by 5% today, so 4.26 finally, so which is very well showing that there is a lot of uncertainty in the market. And yes, now talking about EOD data, so EOD data, if you can see here, that is so this one is the difference, that was like today's data minus previous day's data. So this is showing that yes, put writing aaj hua hai. So both PropDex and FIs, they have done put writing, but look at the put call writing amount. Okay, so call writing is much more than the put writing. So what do you think, market will just rally up and up? So I don't think so. So here okay, Now you would say that आज तो put writing हुआ है, so put buying कहाँ गया? So I'm coming to that. So yes, now talking about these call buying positions. So these call buying positions have been done for hedging purpose of these call writing positions. And also today, if you look at here, that is put buying also like has been done in a limited fashion. That is like they were for hedging. Okay, but now let's look at the Friday's difference and today's difference summed up. So Friday and today, total number of put writing by the FIIs is this, and total amount of put buying is this. So almost the same. Okay. Now it's not very hard to notice that like whenever this happens, so what happens the next so what they are going to do is like they will close their put writing and just take the market down with their put buying positions. Okay, so like notice this thing. Okay, I'll just show the look at on the call side. Call side, if you notice, look at the total amount of call written on Friday as well as today, Monday, and look at the amount the call buying which has been done to hedge these positions. Now you can very well see that it's much less. Okay, so that's what I tell, like the FIIs, they don't do like we do, 10 lots selling and 10 lots buying, okay, to hedge 10 lots. Okay, so they do like 10 lots selling, to hedge they buy almost 5 to 6 lots. Okay, so that's the first point. You can very well distinguish like that is the put writing and the put buying amount are the same, but call writing is huge. I mean it's much more than the call buying. That is for FIIs. Coming to prop decks also. Prop decks, if you can see, it's like Fridays and today's they have done quite a few like a good amount of call writing, and still like they have bought calls, but it's much lesser. But if you see the again for the prop decks, put writing to हुआ है, लेकिन now prop decks their put buying is a little bit more, but almost you can say the same amount. Okay, put buying amount is more. Now rest I would leave it to you. Futures, there is no activity, like even the amount which was like shorted by the FIs on Friday, still like if you notice that a little bit of close, so still not that I mean majority of the amount is still there. The future short by the FIIs and prop decks like again almost you can say no activity. So like futures for the prop decks it's bullish, but for the FIIs it's bearish. So there is a tug of war there. But for option chain, if you look at even the overall quantity in of the FIIs in call writing position, so it's much more than the put writing, and even for the prop decks. Okay, and even as I showed you, the put buying amount is almost the same as the call for Friday and Monday. It's almost the same as the writing amount. Okay, so now I leave it to you. So I told what I would be doing, and I have already I'm not showing today the Telegram channel because accordingly I have taken my positions. So yes, as I said, like even in the last video, that the put buying has majorly been done in the monthly option chain. Okay, so I have so they have done in the monthly option chain. So I have also similarly like what I felt, I have also done like what my analyst is saying. I have taken similar positions, and yes, that too I have taken a little bit safer position. So yes, let's see how it goes in the next few days. But again, I am saying that my final verdict would be like sell on rise, and even if there is a gap up tomorrow, I would look for selling opportunities rather than going long. So that's it for this video, and even tomorrow you have Nifty expiry. So for Nifty, let's go to the option chain. If you see 19,700, both the sides straddle bana ke these big guys have made straddles on both the sides, and market would be like going both the sides, and finally let's see, I think it would be going down. Anyways, talking about Nifty also, if you notice here, that is 90,800. The put riders are also there, call riders are also there. Okay, and yes, and talking about in the money, so if you look at in the money, so here are some in the money, some writers are there, but also buyers are there. So what happens is that both this today's I mean if you look at today's fresh position, so here if you see they have been closed. So here the big guys are not expecting a huge rally, but I mean, like Fin Nifty, 100 plus minus 100 points or plus minus 75 points range. I think the big guys are expecting for tomorrow. They have done both the side writing, and in the as I said you, like in the monthly, they have done buying. Coming to Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty again, if you see here on both the sides, like again writing positions are there. So for now this week, it totally looks like that market can be in a narrow range. There could be uncertainty before a very big move, and again, as I said you, my final conclusion is sell on rise. So yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely, and see you in the next one.